From a suspect crashing into a moving train while fleeing Michigan state troopers, to a wild pursuit of a stolen landscape truck, and a dramatic chase through Detroit involving a carjacker in a stolen Durango pursued by Michigan State Police. These are some of the most unbelievable moments ever captured on police dash cam. A fleeing suspect was spotted by a patrol team as they crossed a stretch of road in Michigan. The moment the suspect realized the presence of the police, they quickly sped into a narrow side street, determined not to lose the trail. The patrol unit closely followed from behind.
Westbound Ansley, Emily. Was gonna stop. Westbound Park.
The suspect's vehicle appeared to have gained some distance from the police vehicle.
Permission to taste this. Westbound Atwater.
Got a white Cadillac, one North Queen Santa.
Just when it seemed the trail might be lost, an officer observed the suspect's car circling around a residential area. Noticing the lingering traces on the road, the police swiftly caught up and informed their colleagues of the suspect's movements.
There's a train up ahead, 34. To the tracks. I don't know if you got room to stop. Gonna be southbound if anything.
And it's gonna lose it.
Crash.
Get back in.
A tense and perilous struggle unfolded between the police and the suspect as they attempted to evade capture.
Stop, man. Stop. Get down.
The police managed to gain control and extract the suspect from the vehicle.
No.
Subsequently, the individual faced charges related to fleeing, reckless driving, speeding, assaulting law enforcement, and various other traffic violations.
Driver, put your hands out the vehicle. Both hands out of the truck. Both hands.
Yeah, we take contact. I know I just had to before. Those are always delayed. Yeah.
On Saturday, October 16, 2021, around 10:17 p.m., the police received information about an illegal street racing event at 2020 to Headland Drive in East Point. Upon arriving at the scene, the police discovered a white and green Chevrolet Camaro engaged in street racing in a parking lot.
Gold was like maybe Camaro, gold and white Camaro doing donuts now. Be careful, Headland goes to one lane. I still don't have street overlay, so if you get anything, I'm gonna have y'all call it. I can still keep the camera on it, but I don't have street overlay.
The pursuit began as the police activated emergency devices and collided with the rear of the driver's car to stop him. The driver continued to flee, veering onto the sidewalk and crashing into a business before returning to the parking lot. After several collisions, the pursuit was brought to an end by a pit maneuver performed by the police. The driver, identified as Carlos Merritt Jr., was arrested and taken to East Point Jail, facing multiple charges, including racing, reckless driving, and attempting to elude.
Get out of the car! Get out of the car! Yeah! Get out of the car! It's a police car! Get out of the car! Out of the car!
The Michigan State Police Aviation Unit, Troop 3, broadcasted information regarding a suspect fleeing after a carjacking in Dearborn. The stolen vehicle, a Dodge Durango, initiated a pursuit. Troop 3 provided updates on the suspect's location and direction of travel. Michigan State Police patrol cars activated emergency lights and pursued the suspect's vehicle.
South 75. Yeah, we're on the service drive going south.
Continuing southbound on the service drive, 72 miles per hour, through Margaret.
And Riverdale at 7 miles. Coming up to Illinois.
Continuing westbound through Stonewall, still in the center lane at 7 miles.
The suspect continued to flee at high speeds, exceeding speed limits on I-75 Service Doctor and Davison Freeway. The decision was made to wait until the suspect slowed down before executing a precision immobilization technique pit maneuver. Eventually, when the suspect entered Grand River Avenue, the police initiated the pit maneuver to immobilize the vehicle. The suspect collided with an abandoned building and was disabled.
I got cuffs. Hey, search him real quick. Search going, baby. Good job. Sniper with it. Okay. Where's it at?
I'm coming up on like right here in a minute.
Robert William Queen 1395 R.
Pull up beside him, let me get a good look on him. Black male, he's got a white hat on backwards. He's got a black mask around his face and his neck. And he's got a short sleeve, black looking type polo on. Still south, about a mile from 285. Southbound, 55, mile from 25. Stand by, 797, what's got the vehicle, go ahead. Successful pin, roll over, stand by. That's central. Stand by, 797, what's got the pin, go ahead. Successful pin, roll over, stand by. That's central.
What situation in today's video impressed you the most? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for always accompanying the channel, and don't forget to subscribe, turn on notifications to continue enjoying the upcoming interesting videos. Goodbye and see you again soon.